Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Nissan Qashqai 1.6 dCi n-tec Plus in automatic, featuring a fixed panoramic roof, a versatile and practical SUV designed for comfort and everyday driving. At the front, the Qashqai features Nissan's signature V-motion grille, sleek LED daytime running lights, and a sculpted bumper, giving it a modern and stylish appearance. From the side, its aerodynamic design is complemented by 18-inch alloy wheels, satin roof rails, and power-folding mirrors for added convenience. At the rear, the Qashqai boasts LED taillights, a fixed panoramic roof, a rear towbar, and a power-operated tailgate, combining practicality with modern styling. Powered by a 1.6 dCi diesel engine, this Qashqai delivers strong fuel efficiency and a smooth driving experience. The XTRON automatic transmission ensures a comfortable and effortless ride. Step inside to enjoy a comfortable cloth interior with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and DAB radio. The 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, and cruise control enhance the driving experience. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and a well-designed cabin, ensuring a pleasant journey. The spacious boot offers excellent storage capacity with a versatile luggage board system, making it perfect for daily use and long trips. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration KS65LRN to book a test drive or request a video tour.